Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Nokia. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!